Hey, wow, everybody, look. It's a winter wonderland out here today. Yeah. It is snow everywhere as far as the eye can see. Yep. Yep, we're under a blizzard warning today, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, good morning, everybody. This is Organic Dairyman, and today is Thursday, December 27th. Excuse me, I'm out of breath from trudging through that snow. Yes, we are under a blizzard warning right now. The wind is supposed to pick up out of the northwest, and it's even gonna get worse than this right now. That's what they say. So yeah, so we're just getting going here with things. Gotta milk the cows yet. I'm just coming out here to get the tractors plugged in. Probably get the tractor and the snowblower plugged in, so that's ready to go. Might have to use that to move some snow this morning, but yeah, so you're gonna see a lot of snow in today's video. Well, probably. So anyways, I better get these tractors plugged in and get going with chores, because it still might be a long day of dealing with snow, cleaning things up and moving snow, so better get to work. What do you think, Sylvester? Are you happy? He looks happy. Okay, I'm out here in the machine shed again. We're getting ready to do the feeding chores, but first we're gonna blow a little snow, and yeah, the temperature is dropping, and the wind switched to the northwest, and it's ugly out there. It's getting to be whiteout conditions, you know, pretty much. And yeah, it's not very pretty out. I'm thinking like maybe I wish I was in Hawaii right now. That's what I'm thinking about. Yeah. Yeah, and I notice there's probably some people that wonder why too we never shut these shed doors. It's because they're a son of a gun to open and close in the wintertime with the snow and the track down there. Someday, like I said, we want to eliminate these doors and just put an overhead door in here. But they're just we had these doors one time almost freeze shut, and we tried pushing them open with a tractor. I don't know if you can see that, but we kind of buckled the door a little bit, and they just I don't know, they don't open and close very good. But anyways, I'm gonna get this tractor warming up and get these other ones backed out of here, and just gonna blow a little bit of snow just to get around the yard. Somewhat easy, just not gonna do everything because it's just gonna fill back in. We've got already, I would say, a good foot of snow, and the temperatures are dropping. I know they say like Friday night it's supposed to get sub-zero temps, you know, Fahrenheit. So it's gonna get chilly, so I better get this thing fired up and move some snow. dang god power shaft just came off. I don't know why, but oh god, that's all that came off. I gotta go put this thing back on again. Oh man, look at that out there. What a nice day today. Okay, as you saw there, the PTO shaft came off, and I don't know if this happened when it came off, but there's supposed to be these key or these snap keys in here. They're supposed to hold the universal joint bearings, and this one, I don't know if it was out already, but it came out, and so I don't know if I have one that size, and not only that, but I can't get this thing down there any further. So what I'm thinking about doing here is if I can find it, what do I do with that thing? I just have the thing in my hand. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a nail. I don't know how well it's gonna work. I'm gonna take a nail and put over the top of that thing to hold it in place. Oh dang it, what did I do with that thing? Can't find the nail when I was gonna do it. I'm gonna find that nail, weld it across the top, and hopefully that will get us back in business again, because I'm afraid if I don't, this thing's gonna come out and it's gonna wreck the U-joint, and I don't really want to go to try to get to town today to get another U-joint. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Well, obviously, as you can see, I got the snowblower going. Just blew, like I said, a little bit up in the yard. I did find that nail. I got it welded up over the universal joint cap bearing thing on there, and it held. So I just did not want that universal joint to go out, that bearing to pop out of there. And the odds of, you know, there's only finding another universal joint for that thing in town, or be next thing to whatever, trying to win the lottery or something like that. Slim, the next thing to nothing. That's what I wanted to say. So yeah, we've had that happen before. Usually, you know, there's a lot of people running their snow blowers or tractors, powered snow blowers, and a lot of people take out U-joints. And believe me, there's only one dealer, one tractor dealership in town now, so everybody would have them cleaned out, I think, by now. So I'd assume not take out a universal joint. So yeah, so I'm just getting I already fed the dry cows. I'm just working at feeding the young stock here, and yeah, so it at least that I got some snow cleaned out, blew out, and whatnot. So it's better. Now I gotta clean this out. Let me show you. Yeah, up here I cleaned the plastic up in this bag yesterday and everything, and cleaned up all the stuff. But now I just got a little bit of snow here to deal with, and oh, I hate that. I just want to scrape off the snow. Just like, I don't know. I don't think they're gonna mind a little bit of snow in their feed. It's water. Whoops, you guys are upside down, aren't you? Sorry about that, guys. I had you upside down for a little bit there. Didn't mean to make you get dizzy there. Anyway, so yeah, so we're gonna keep working here at the feeding, and the snow is just making the chores take longer today. So I know we got a bed in the dry cow shed yet too today, bedding. So, oh man, I tell you, I'm just like I said, I'm thinking of someplace warmer today. Oh, I could be sitting at a nice warm beach, Waikiki Beach in Hawaii, soaking up some sun right now. Well, that would be awesome. Being in Hawaii. Or Miami. Anyways, well, I better keep it going here, and I'll check back with you guys later and see what else is going on. Okay, we're finally done with everything except for milking the cows. Got the dry cows bedded and yeah, and everything else done. All the feeding. Oh gosh, I just hate it when it snows like this. It just makes everything oh, my breath. Just makes everything take so much longer to get done. But yeah. Oh yeah, tomorrow things are gonna get better. The wind's supposed to go down. I mean, it is still nasty outside. It's still nasty. Now let me just show you quick. You know, you probably, I don't know how much you can see, but yeah. Yeah. It's still nasty out, so yeah. So I guess the good thing is the wind's gonna go down tomorrow. It's supposed to quit snowing, so we'll get some snow, more snow moved, or whatever, you know, get the rest of it moved, and it just makes the day take a whole lot longer. We could have just done without the snow. Oh, I didn't want this stupid snow, but it is what it is, and it's not like we haven't been through this before. I guess we could be thankful we got a lot better snow removal equipment than we did 20 years ago. We got a loader tractor with a nice heated cab in it, and well, the tractor and the snowblower's got a heated cab on it, so, and the snowblower works, so yeah. So we'll get the snow moved, and this thing will get out of here and go out east or wherever the storm's gonna go, and other people can get it and complain about it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they probably have the interstate closed down right now because it's pretty nasty out there. But I mean, I wouldn't doubt if they'd have to have the interstate closed down. They'd have to have I-29 closed down, I think. But they didn't do that one year, and a bunch of semis and cars got stranded on the interstate in a blizzard, and boy, the state got in trouble for that, for not closing the interstate down. Well, they should have. When that gate is closed on the interstate, if you go out there, you're on your own. You get stuck, you're on your own. Yep, they're advising no travel right now. Just stay home, stay put. But yeah. So, anyways, I gotta go eat something. I'm starving. And then go back, milk the cows, and get to bed, start the day all over again. But it's gonna be better tomorrow. Hopefully the sun will come out at the end of the day. That would be so awesome if the sun came out. But anyways, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you do have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Please check out all my other videos. Check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Organic Dairyman. And please, if you have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and you won't regret it. And thanks to everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. And yeah, so the day is basically over. So tomorrow is another day. So anyways, I will catch you later.